This is a short tutorial on Python list, tuple, and dictionaries. List is mutable. That means that you can add, delete from list. So list is we use a square bracket to whenever you use Python list, you need to use a square bracket. So in list, if you want to add an element, you need to say my list dot append, and if you print it, then you'll see that this list will have 1, 2, 3, 4. To delete an element, what you need to do is you need to use a keyword called del, then my list, and 2. So 2 is 0, 1, 2. That means that it will delete number 3. So if you print the output, you'll see that 1, 2, 4. So we need to update an element. What you need to do is, let's say we want to replace this 2 with 5. So what you need to do is you need to put my list, then you need to put the location of this element, which is 1, because this is 0, this is 1, and this one is 2. So we'll put 1 here because we have to replace 2 here. So we put my list 1 equal to 5, and if you want to print it after that, you'll see that 1, 5, 3. So to loop through the list, let's say we have this list. What we need to do is say that for value in my list, so this is the list, and then you can value. So the for and value in, this value can be, you can write anything here. It is not a keyword. Keyword is for and in. So whatever you say, but for here, like it will make more sense if you just say value. So if you put it here, then it will, we can print the list. So tuple are different than list. Tuple, we need to use parentheses for this. The tuple is very restricted. For instance, if you want to add an element, append an element, because you cannot change it. And let's say if you want to update an element, it will also raise an error because you cannot update a tuple in this way. If you want to delete an element, you cannot do this also. So next part is, but if you want to update it, there is another way. What you need to do is you need to create a new tuple out of the current one. So we say that here, this is the tuple 1, 2, 3. We say that we want to replace 2 with 5. So what we need to do is say that we need to get this tuple, this value, and then we need to add 5, and then need to take add 3 here. So my tuple to then there's a colon, and it will get the last value. And if you put a colon at the first, so you are actually creating a new tuple. You are not modifying the existing one, even though the name was, it is a mistake from my side. So this is actually a new tuple, which is getting the value from the old one, this one, and creating a new one. So you, as I said before, that tuple is immutable. That means that you cannot change anything in tuple. So to print a tuple, it is same as printing a list. It's a for value in tuple, and you can get the value. So dictionaries is also called hash map. So you use curly bracket for that. So to add an element in dictionary, this is actually the key. Name and age is key, and these are the value. So If you want to add another element to this dictionary, we need to create a new key, let's say city, and assign the value newer. So when I print it, then it will print like this. To delete an element, what we need to do is we need to delete the key. So here age is the key. So if we say del my dictionary and put this key value, then it will delete it, and the new one will not have the age key and value. So to update an element, let's say we have a dictionary like this. We want to update age equal to 31. So in that case, we need to put the key here and need to put the new value, and then it will update the value in the dictionary. So to loop through the value, dictionary is a little bit different because it has key and value. So if you want to get the values, we say for value in, then get the value, and then we can print the value. Okay, that's it.